Hi, it's Dan the Plumber, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install a new tankless water heater. Today we have Norits that we're swapping out for an NRCR 111. We purchased this locally in Westlake Village at Cedar Valley Plumbing. So there are only a few steps to install a tankless water heater. You've got to remove the old unit, install the new unit. You've got the vent connection, the water connections, the gas connection, and in this case, the condensate line. Let's get started. So we're gonna unplug the unit first and turn off the gas and the water. All right, so now what Jared's doing is just draining some of the water down from the tankless itself. Next step is we're gonna loosen the vent. There are two 5/16 nuts on the intake and the outtake, and we're simply going to remove the vent right now. Dan's Plumbing purchases all their tankless water heaters from Cedar Valley Supply. They have 3 locations in Westlake Village, Camarillo, and Oxnard. If you're interested in purchasing a new tankless water heater, have your plumber reach out to Cedar Valley Plumbing to get your new tankless. And on the Unistrut, this is nice when they install these. Previously, they put the Unistrut, which is really great for the tankless water heaters. We always like to install those because you can mount your copper on them as well, or your condensate filter if you have one, things like that. So they've got the Unistrut with the cone washers. We're gonna try to reuse all that with the existing vent. All right, so now we're gonna connect the vent line. We simply push the unit inside the old vent, and we're gonna connect the intake. This is just a filter for the intake from the old one, and we'll connect it there. And we're gonna just tighten it down with the 5/16 nut driver. All right, so now we're gonna install the crossover valve on the service valves. The service valves have 3 functions. They're shut-off valve, which is here. They have the service part is right here. You can flush your tankless water heater. And thirdly, it delivers the water to the unit. All right, we got a surprise today. We have Dylan, a factory rep from Norits, and he's here to talk about the Norits tankless water heater.
How you guys doing today? So this is our NRCR series. So remember, tankless water heaters, they provide endless amounts of hot water. They don't provide instantaneous hot water. So this has a built-in recirculation pump to give you much quicker hot water. This is our new Pro series. So this is taking 2-inch PVC off the top. This is Bluetooth connectivity now. So you can connect to it straight from your phone, connect the recirculation pump. This is a little filter on here to grab the intake air from inside the garage. And in the past, you used to have to use a little dip switch setting in here to tell basically the water heater how you're installing this. So now it's all done through Bluetooth. Like I said, you can connect to the pump, customize that pump setting. We made a couple tweaks to this. It's a little, I'd say about 10 pounds lighter. There's some little clips on here to eliminate the screws, so it's easier to take the front cover off. This has a 15-year warranty. It looks really good, and looking forward to hearing this thing fire up.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the end of the video. I want to thank Norits for sending their rep, Dylan, out. Jamie from Cedar Valley for always hooking us up at good prices and delivering the tankless water heater today. And that's it. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you very much for watching.